morning, it's Keto Granny. Headed over to get my exercise done. Are you exercising this morning? Let's go. Okay, so I'm walking over to the gym this morning. Doing a workout. A little drizzly here this morning, but that's okay. Start with my walk. 30 minutes of exercise and go for a walk again. So get up and get your day started. Just Keto Granny saying, let's go. Hope you got your ticket to the seminar. Or are you coming to the online coaching group class? Hey, I hope you got your ticket to the keto seminar with Keto Granny. Come out and find out what the keto diet is all about. Find out the many benefits of the keto diet. And also try some refreshments. This is Keto Granny saying, see you Saturday. When I left home this morning, it was misty and rainy. Now I've done my workout, headed back out. It's already stopped raining and the sun is trying to come through the clouds. Oh, I love this place. Sometimes you can see 4 seasons here in one day. Rain, sleet, snow, and sunshine. Anyhow, I'm out getting me some steps in and walking. Get out and get some kind of exercise. Let's go. See, it's beautiful. So I'm out taking a walk this morning and talk about the keto diet and intermittent fasting. Keto diet and intermittent fasting, that's 2 great tools that you should use together. So the weather's nice enough to go ahead and get my walk in this morning. So I'm gonna walk a little bit and then head back and get some breakfast later. Okay, this is Keto Granny saying, get out and get you some exercise. Walk, run, trot, go to the gym, whatever suits your fancy. Just do something. Let's go. My walking route this morning, something different for me. It's beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna walk up there to that light, make it up to the top of this hill. Now this is the top portion of James Hill. I'm gonna make it to that lower portion and make it up too. That's my goal. For now, just making this upper portion. Let's go. Woo. So, walking the top portion of this hill is hard too. But I'm glad I started with this portion, the upper portion. Woo. So I'm gonna make it. Looks like I just got one more block to go. Then I'm gonna head back down. This is a long hill. James Hill. Alright. I'm proud of me. So this is gonna be a new Kent YMCA. And I can't wait until it opens, because I'm gonna get my swimming in there. That's gonna be my swimming exercise. I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm almost here to my destination, which is to this light. Once I get here, I turn back around and head back down. This is my Mount Olympus for the day. I've reached the top of my Mount Olympus. I'm so proud of myself. Now I'm gonna head back down. First I gotta walk all the way up here and touch this light pole. That one over there on the corner. Yes, yes. Let's go.